What happens when you crack your knuckles? Gas release. When you crack your knuckles, gas bubbles, usually nitrogen, are released into the synovial fluid inside the joint, which causes a popping sound. Temporary relief. Although cracking can temporarily relieve pain or promote joint mobility, these effects are frequently fleeting. No damage to joints. According to research, occasionally cracking your knuckles doesn't seem to be bad for your joints or lead to arthritis. Tendon stretching. The sound may be caused by the tendons or ligaments surrounding the joint being stretched. Whether or not to crack your joints is a question of personal preference, although it's generally safe when done in moderation. Consult a doctor. It is advised to do so if you experience pain, discomfort, or swelling when you crack your joints.